in partnership with Oxford. So we have Professor Schulte from HEC and Professor Thompson from Oxford to talk to the cohort of the Executive Masters in Consulting and Coaching for Change.
Mark, as always, the same question. Do you want to start?
I like your hat, so I'll let you go first.
And I like your tie, which is really very special. We are really, really happy that we're celebrating this with you today. And we know we will have like a real face-to-face meeting and we will really celebrate. But nevertheless, I think it's really an accomplishment that we should honor, because even our last module, how you were able to present, how you were able to discuss the content of your thesis was amazing. And I think we all pulled our energy together to make the best out of the situation. And I'm really glad. I'm really, really proud of you. I think, especially when we talk about change, you guys really have a big job to do now. And I hope that our program helps you to prepare that what's going on in the world. I mean, it's all about change. So obviously, you have a lot on your plate and a lot of challenges, and I hope that our program helps you to prepare for these challenges. Last point, I'm so glad that we went to so many different places. We went to Copenhagen and Berlin and Oxford and HEC. I mean, that's great. We thought like it's too much. We never went to so many places, but in hindsight, obviously, Mark and I knew about the pandemic and everything, so we planned it accordingly so that this is actually perfect to get out before the whole thing happened. Mark?
Great. Well, I'd just like to say what a wonderful partnership this has been between HEC and Oxford. We've been going for 18 or 19 years now, and I think it gets stronger each year. Of course, the partnership is not just between the institutions, it's also between people. And it's also with the participants themselves. And as Matisse has said, one of the ambitions around this program is to prepare you for change. And we're living at a really quite an important juncture now, where we hope that you can bring your knowledge into affecting change wherever you are. And through the program, I think we've built, and I think you may agree with me, really critical thinking, reflexive practitioners, those people who are willing to look at change problems from multiple angles, take risks, live with uncertainty, and make an impact in the world. And I can see that transformation in engaging with you over the last 15, 16 months. So I'd like to thank you for that partnership of learning, that partnership of growth that you've shown and demonstrated. The partnership is also about those individuals behind the scenes. Well, they're quite often not behind the scenes. They're really in front of the scenes and make this work. So thanking Ron Dirksen, Claudine Chocteau, Jessica Rodziski, Christina, Andy, Caroline, the team back at Oxford. That partnership works very well and has made a real impact. But most of all, let's thank you for your commitment, contribution, and excellent support and critical challenge throughout this program, because you've made us think, you've made us reflect. And I think that partnership really delivers. So thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations, and thank you very much, Mark and Matisse.